If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your game experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that may cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page or social media channels to ensure there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC players, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Rocket League. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.